As we age, particularly after the age of 50, it's essential to understand the difference between normal memory changes, such as occasionally forgetting where you placed your keys or names of acquaintances, and more concerning signs of cognitive decline, like repeated memory loss or struggling with familiar daily tasks. Because recognizing these distinctions early is crucial for maintaining and protecting our brain health effectively. A multifaceted approach that incorporates a nutrient-rich diet, regular physical exercise, consistent mental stimulation, targeted supplements when appropriate, and prioritizing quality sleep every night is absolutely key to not only maintaining, but actively improving memory function and overall brain health as we navigate life after 50. Let's begin our exploration by delving into the remarkable power of nutrition, with a specific focus on brain-boosting foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in supporting brain cell structure and function. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for optimal brain function, helping to reduce inflammation and support neurotransmitter activity, and they can be found abundantly in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, as well as trout and herring, making these seafood options some of the best dietary sources for brain health. For individuals who prefer or require plant-based options to avoid animal products, flax seeds stand out as an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, which is a plant-derived type of omega-3 that the body can convert into usable forms for brain support. By incorporating these omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish and flax seeds into your daily diet on a regular basis, you can significantly enhance cognitive function, sharpen memory recall, and provide your brain with the essential building blocks it needs for long-term health. Next, let's turn our attention to another powerful category of brain-boosting foods, those abundant in antioxidants, specifically antioxidant-rich berries and high-quality dark chocolate, both of which offer unique protective benefits for the aging brain. Berries, especially nutrient-dense blueberries, but also raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries, are packed with powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins that help shield the brain from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and even support the growth of new neurons. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with at least 70% cocoa content, delivers potent antioxidants and beneficial flavonoids that enhance blood flow to the brain, improve cognitive performance, and may even help with mood regulation through its natural compounds. Enjoying these delicious yet health-promoting treats like a handful of mixed berries or a small square of dark chocolate in moderation each day can serve as a delightful and effective strategy to bolster your brain health without sacrificing flavor. Moving beyond the vital role of diet, regular physical activity emerges as a cornerstone of brain health, particularly aerobic exercise, which has been shown in numerous studies to enhance cognitive abilities in older adults. Health experts recommend aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, on most days of the week to deliver substantial benefits to your brain's structure and performance. This type of consistent aerobic exercise works wonders by increasing blood flow to key areas of the brain, promoting the survival of existing neurons, and stimulating the growth of new ones through a process known as neurogenesis. Even accessible and enjoyable activities like brisk walking in your neighborhood, dancing to your favorite music at home, or joining a gentle aerobics class can make a profound and lasting difference in preserving and enhancing cognitive function over time. Remember, physical activity isn't just beneficial for your body. It's one of the most powerful, natural tools available for keeping your mind sharp, resilient, and performing at its best well into your later years. Just as crucial as physical exercise for brain health is engaging in regular mental exercise, which actively strengthens neural networks, enhances synaptic plasticity, and keeps your brain agile and adaptable throughout life. Activities such as tackling challenging puzzles, learning exciting new skills like playing a musical instrument or speaking a foreign language, and nurturing strong social connections through conversations and gatherings are all vital strategies for sustaining cognitive health after 50. Don't overlook classics like reading thought-provoking books, writing personal journals or stories, and playing strategic card games with friends, as these provide excellent, multifaceted mental stimulation that keeps the brain engaged and growing. By regularly participating in these diverse mental activities, you challenge your brain in beneficial ways, helping to build a robust cognitive reserve that acts as a buffer against age-related decline and potential neurological challenges. Make it a habit to keep your mind perpetually active, curious, and open to new experiences. It's truly a lifelong journey filled with continuous learning, personal growth, and the joy of mental vitality. While establishing a healthy, brain-supportive diet remains the primary foundation, certain well-researched supplements may provide valuable additional support to optimize brain health when used thoughtfully. Ginkgo biloba, derived from the leaves of the ancient ginkgo tree, is frequently studied for its potential benefits in improving blood circulation throughout the body, including enhanced delivery of oxygen and nutrients directly to the brain. Vitamin B12 plays an indispensable role in maintaining healthy nerve function, supporting myelin production, and positively influencing memory retention and overall cognitive processing speed, especially important as absorption can decline with age. And, of course, omega-3 supplements, such as fish oil or algae-based options, can be particularly beneficial for bridging any gaps in dietary intake, ensuring your brain receives adequate levels of these essential fatty acids. However, it's imperative to always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before introducing any new supplement regimen, as they can assess your individual needs, potential interactions, and ensure it's perfectly suited and safe for your unique health profile. Finally, let's discuss the critical and often underappreciated connection between achieving quality sleep nightly and effectively protecting and enhancing memory consolidation over the long term. During deep, restorative sleep cycles, your brain performs essential maintenance by actively clearing out harmful waste products like beta-amyloid proteins and meticulously consolidating new memories from the day's experiences into long-term storage. To maximize these brain-repairing benefits, make it a priority to aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, high-quality sleep each and every night, establishing routines that promote relaxation and consistency. Prioritizing sufficient sleep isn't merely a luxury or optional habit. It's an absolute necessity for nurturing a healthy, sharp, and resilient mind capable of peak performance at any age. While some memory changes, like slower recall or minor lapses, are perfectly normal aspects of aging after 50, more persistent issues such as frequent memory loss, confusion with time or place, or noticeable difficulty performing familiar everyday tasks could signal early warning signs of dementia. If you or a loved one begin to notice these concerning patterns, it's vitally important to promptly seek a professional medical evaluation, as early diagnosis enables timely interventions that can significantly improve quality of life and management options. To gain valuable insights into your own cognitive function right away, we strongly encourage you to take our comprehensive memory assessment quiz, designed specifically for individuals over 50. Completing this quiz is a simple, straightforward step that empowers you towards better understanding your brain health status and taking proactive, informed actions to manage and enhance it moving forward.